Welcome to Next Distribution. We're unable to give you an actual tour of the site you'll be working on, so I'm going to give you a virtual tour and talk you through the job that you'll be doing. Now, the health and safety of our staff is our #1 priority, and across all of our sites at Next, we have COVID secure systems and processes in place, such as sinks at every entrance to wash hands, rigorous hygiene measures, thermal imaging cameras set up on entrances, one-way systems, added screens, socially distanced walkways and breakout areas. You can be sure that we have done all that we can to keep our colleagues safe. Let's look at the Elmsall complex, which is made up of 2 warehouses, Elmsall Way and Elmsall Drive. All the products in this complex are stored in boxes, and along with Next products, we also hold hundreds of brands that we sell online, such as Nike, Adidas and Hugo Boss. Goods get delivered from suppliers here in intake. They get stored in a huge automated high bay until the stock is required. When a customer orders an item online, a picker picks the item, a packer packs it, and then it goes to dispatch to get sent to the customer. We dispatch over 480,000 items on an average day, and this may double during sale. It's a busy, vibrant and noisy environment, and most roles are physically demanding but highly rewarding. The job you will be doing is a packer for online orders. This means packing items into parcels that customers have ordered on our next.co.uk website. Let's look at the job in a bit more detail. The first thing you would do is to go to your pack station. You log into the computer and you start to pack customer orders. The system will tell you what items need to be packed for each customer's parcel. Once the order is complete, you will seal the order with paperwork and put it in the appropriate sack. Once the sacks are filled, they go onto a loop system to dispatch to go to the customer. You could pack around 1,200 items during an 8-hour shift. To ensure the right items goes into the correct parcel, you need to have a high level of concentration and attention to detail. You will also be required to work quickly and to multitask. This job is not as physically demanding as other roles in the warehouse, but you will need to lift the full sacks that can weigh up to 15 kilograms. As a packer, you will be expected to reach a minimum productivity level within your first 4 weeks. For the first 2 weeks, you will receive training from a dedicated team coach. The majority of our new starters achieve this with no problems, and so should you. So that's Elmsall. We're very proud of our warehouse and what we do here, and we look forward to welcoming you to part of the team.